Perhaps here on the very ordinary way how it is being defined as far as the politics is concerned. They say in the politics the core element is called decision making.
Politics along bangke jasemet kata bangke kace parai hello. Awal kuson tovar cekok hini ke thom tokok ta hai.
I am thirsty.
Hala kuson apa hut?
I want to quench my thirst.
Hala hor pen lang la hini son ni tokok ta hai. Hala so por hut ini kang it pulutan te.
Some of us we make a decision to choose the water bottle.
We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome.
Dang isi kaping chat thabalam do.
The very BJP is to offer a minister in Mizoram.
BJP itu Mizoram dan minister ki PG alam do.
What sir have said is true.
Kopima sar kan je alam an ke ahok ta dalam.
We never thought that this can be happen.
Ni tu mathau ni la poson manji tu mathau ni.
But now there is a very good rumors that Mr. B.D. Chakma will be offered a minister in Mizoram.
Sita ni si kaci dia nam do BD what?
B.D. Chakma.
BD Chakma pandang minister ang hoi ki PG alam do.
He was elected MLA.
Alang li ke elected MLA.
Where all the BJP central leaders have come during the election campaign.
Alang li pan kata haji pan not BJP central abang po songja potom bang pensi campaign pilo.
Then we offer only one MLA.
Sita ni alang li pan innovate sa ang hoi se picture lo.
But now they try to make him a minister.
Sita ni alang li pan nona bang ke minister ang hoi ke pekji alam do kong lo.
Impossible one, they make it impossible. They make it possible.
Hala ki un e hormu pan se pa un deji pan se ka bori.
So again and again I humbly request and appeal the Karbi people to be with this party.
Lasina le tu pan tuni ria pong lo labang so asong pen kacira don lingji pan ai kis kame kejuri pe don ji pan.
A Vice President, a General Secretary, lapen office bearers atum lapen ilitum kadui constituency pen lapen kadui rejetong ke dingdum lapen ke Mizoram pen ke wang Fanaya ke hai lapen ke Tiprasa ke hai Tripura pen lapen ke ilitum bong John D. Sangma ke hai lapen Arias na hunok ngatu kadui pantan nili kardom pila kardom anu kaprik ningje nilipan ningje ingtung lang sa takadoi ta ningje nang nelo pulo insam bong lo non baji please kele eliminating koi wada la song bong nili kan ningje ta buluri sai la te nili ta ningje tu tek theda teti ang ne ke la puson ning ha sita bor ipo ilitu chini lo APHLC apran cheng chia ko ke ha ahut isi ke tribal league puta dolan tribal league do hala sohut a president Williamson Sangma arukom hala sohuta lapen ke a secretary ke Bhimbor Deuri lapen Bhimbor Deuri alang lita manghumi me la amethanga date kache so ke kaching hon pen ke claim ji aning ke hanga tum an ke hadi copy ne pen pot hilotiti aholam lasi Bhimbor Deuri ta ningkan arta ningkan thong kebra ner keb malom arta alang lige minister da je plang lang ama alang lita copy lo ne ke so long lo amat Gopinath Bordoloi penta ani hala Gopinath Bordoloi atuman da aning dok de ala athima tribal league pinchong apot amat ke sulong lok lo aleng li hai derabat si inudwet si dodam si ke soda government dun da lang le det ku si hada ka tok du la pen hadak si jiwo yul la pen ke aku langan tu sina Upen Brahma alang lita kam claim piklo la pen boro tumpan include lo paruk kre trok paruk kreser kebra trokner kebra trok po aningkan neliha DC Bhupri along DC ke doon hota lang lihada adung anwang lo meeting ke do nelita dun lang nelige duty si ke dun lo nelige magistrate additional district magistrate hisab si alang lita ingtang olo boro tumpan room lo seta men amat alang like sulong lo ha Bombay ke doon ko amar alang lita cheboju aningkan arta ka lata aningkan thom kebra ke thom lo ne pilo ne si dola ka cheboy hoke na puson senson sing inti da la puthatha alang lita ko pilo ne amat lata an ke chohut pusipu an chodet pen imtat ke chohut hala kowe ke cholong ko pilo ne pedudun ko amat alang lita cheboju an ke kapeja tumke hala rukomisi Pirthe chini dun o tum ake mealaman anatu chini dun o tum amat bijut ko non apike boro tum ta 6 schedule long lo seta 6 schedule ta aki phuk ala dum ke long thuke muthe phuk phe puka pe klang hala bang ka ju ka bojja ta tum hedi phuk phe lage ing tangoge puka pe klang amat hala kadu ita hala aki phuk le pa pe endun etnan puyo ke thai ke ingtang ule yo po pape papa mathana po amat hala si endun ro ana pape endun ke endun thulo karbiang long ta hala si no ne ke endun thulo atumi het militum hala parliamentary standing committee along parliament department related parliamentary standing committee on home affairs on constitution 125th amendment bill 2019 ko along halada chairman ke anon Sharma alangli congress amuni alang si chairman alangli si hala sik sidol ka pipu ka kam ke Japon atumi la penon pipu po ini tungke kasi hala boro tumphan la son civilo alang itumpan election da pape highway la kape hai bang anul kape komat ni tu ladak toklo lage ladak ke toke la pohelo yo non ke tok tuke council tunge the superintendent's direction control of the preparation of electoral rolls for and the conduct of all elections all elections to the district council, regional council, village council and municipal council shall be vested in the state election commission appointed by the governor for that state. Ilitung karbi ang long chat kalilo non ke along tit na son si pinchong tu epo chekroy dung tu lap bangke. Ametang pan power pied lo angding pihini angding so troksia lo sik schedule long setahala ke non cheklem ke det lo chejor tu det lo jakong Congress la pen BJP kache jordun ke kathe ma tu mi heta Congress alida la ke claim bange anon Sharma nilitum sita tok dun si la ilitum memorandum la ko submit dun thulo nitum la ke chekroi kre pusi APHLC beng la ke chekroi kre High Court pen order pitang lo la pen angding pi sik schedule angding pi hini angding the proxy pen or power ating si election kaselam la pen voter list kaselam apan allo selam nang ji busine tinge atu mita ako pudun tu tiblu ko an lo dengan ceplangi la pen mohet tan lo josi la solam chinira sik schedule kelong anatu la pen kelong jilang atu anda thul pa kasonte ilitum lake cedan unjilan athema la tum non ke claim ke la ke basic structure of the constitution si alang litung ka pithuglo six schedule aklong alam six schedule aklong constitution da aklong hala si ka pithug dang lo non la pot si litung ilitum supreme court along che dan lo te athik the te ilitum hai un jila la pen ning the la ke ilitum hai un jila se dai ilitum ka che dan kam le lo la pen la ke tripura pen ilitum ari chota pulo tripura ari chota alang lita supreme court long case file neli fanse na garju nang kanang so hinang chi pidu ji ma po ne chi pidu ji pulo la sola la si neli tum akul ching wai thu po jong si la dak la so pot parliament long non budget session long pe pass ji possible jong si pe pass det lo te la ke nel ditum chedan non thuji we are saying like this that according to paragraph 2 sub paragraph 7 of the 6th schedule the law for conduct of election and preparation of voter lists for the autonomous district council must be made by the autonomous council itself because it is autonomous. Auto means self. By ourselves it must be done. But yesterday during the department related parliamentary standing committee on home affairs headed by Anand Sharma, Congress, he is Congress MP, previously he was Congress minister, he is Congress MP. They have said that instead of making the law by ourselves, this power should be given to the state government. State government for Mizoram it may not be a problem so much. For Meghalaya it may not be a problem so much. But for Tripura it is a problem. And for Assam it is a problem. It is a big problem. They are not we. Assam government is not us. It is not auto. And then Tripura government is not auto. It is not us. The 26 lakhs now you have 16 lakhs. The 16 lakhs of Tripura tribal people, they are not with the government. The government is headed by Bangladesh people. He is Bangladeshi. The chief minister of Tripura is a Bangladeshi. Somehow he has been made to be Indian now. And now, therefore, it is a bigger problem. But even in Meghalaya and Mizoram, it is still a problem because one day the government of Meghalaya and Mizoram may also be influenced very heavily by outsiders because there is no reservation system there. According to the new law they are making now, it is always in favor of the majority people, non-tribal people. So one day it may happen that they will have to take decision in favor of non-tribal people. Then if that day comes, then the autonomous council in Mizoram and in Meghalaya also will be in trouble. Therefore, if we join together and fight a case in Supreme Court, we will have to fight because somehow they will pass it. Karbi people, the Karbi Anglong Council and MP, they have already supported this one. But Khasi people have not supported. Khasi atum phange pipe la Khasi atum bangke hedi amethang potsi do ilang halatum bangke. Ili tumbang phanke dak la village council along ta village council along ta dak pulo village council along ta pulo the governor may by rules entrust the district council or as the case may be the regional council which such powers and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as institutions of self-governance, and such rules may contain provisions for further evolution of such powers and responsibility to village councils and to other council, to cooperative societies and others. La lamang la pulo non ke autonomous council le non order ki PG gali village council apanta wrong a servant ke apanta council atum non order PUNE governor se order PG non ke council tum se kroy dunet lo ange more power pugi aja kong hebang bhaji bibong anda more powerful la sili tum karbi mikir phane pulo mikir okora pugedi naga letera naga ke letera pot sabon ben langsing lu adle te safaet po okora ha ningar loge lage apur lo ningar loge lage jong hele carbolic sabon pen pula lang par clock te pen jing lu koi sita hedi thechi pen koi sita hedi lage unelo la bange thechian rak pen koi ore sita hedi che plang ple angela mikir okora puk hedi atumi heta CM nilipan telefon nang lupit nang litum da singki dun lo ma po singki dun lo te pijo nilipulo chongolo nang lim chekroi dun de me pik poke po alang di thana than me pik poke kumu sige me lang po nilipu bang governor si order nang pi nang me thanga li autonomous ka lilo non ke governor polo te matlo lang tha governor polo te matlo halada kangtang nei Assam government lo a minister hedi hala lo ga solai ji governor me thange lage sui chota na ji lage bang minister tumpine sui non popo governor ke sui dun chota na ji ange hala so governor a minister kangtang nei a minister bang anum ben ko mat lo ga solai dun hala ke bongo senatu hala ke lasi lage bongo senatu ko pimagi pu lalo non council tu me kele manang ji anke la soni litum cicak yema cicak ce ilitum cicak one la son ke athema ilitum phanang pivira kam sinon ke claim lo la bongo senatu me a minister ke himanto biso sorma yime ne hai halat angphun pe ke lit be jawan ke sita hai di ala bange angphun pe ke ta hala pu bongo senatu sit pu lo ya binong anung pe la sike ke lit de lo ame thang le je pe ke kalilo la puju annung pe lo lake akam bange la si chema thatop de ke situ mare tikil akam bange la si hedi non ke kisung alam binong lo ayen nilipan CM pulo munang lile kem no nante puju nang lile pe me thuji de pe me thuno pu la si ko ni le ni ngathil ko pasina ka pe me na neli alang ipan pulo mikiro khora buge mikir bosi ke pu rong mikir bule rong ke do mikir bule pu ali nang lita mikir loge nang li fan lo kora nang lita pu neli pulo ili do MP minister ka do ili tum fan mata ke pulo posi neli atu mi pu telefon pe ili tum fan okora pu den mela so okora no anda do bom pe porno neli la so por la atu mi hata ke pulo ninge titia setan ninge tia sonsi alang li panda pulo alang li si pulo mu nang li claim no nanti pulo nang li tum non palang ho api ili tum ke claim boge 1/2 majority nang ji MP ili tum hanang ke kroidun ha parliament long bang pharo ke thomra thom kep bak MP nang kroidun nang ji lansi ili tum ako zar thun ji ili tum long nang kroidun ji mahala bang soho ili tum hana ka pivir ji lok si bangai claim lo hala tum nang kroi dun ji lang mal ke la ke du tang de da porta ka chupi phuk dun ai ke pu ke tir ang po salong o po dang o po salong o po hen lo ki pu la si hedi hala naga jona chumi ke to alam hedi a ho alam no to son si phak leng ki nep nai ma ko hedi phak leng ki nep karbar lo la ke poisa hala dake thing thelevar huk titino tu anke ihi parpong chot non halatinge la theng thi chulong tik ta hala arpong na parpong bom lo po bangke lang le de ji la tumki lang le de ji moha parpong thi panta theng thi pi bom le thi chu thu bom yi la ha ka tumki pu la son ilitum ke je plang du di ilitum council la tu ilitum MLA MP minister tu anta hala so line si dam thurong lo ange ko pulo non ke la pot si ilitum ke lo silam nang ye pulo high court silam nang ye pulo ke pu sita ilitum phan ke silam tu po nang pu pe election ke haya to man si silam non pu gi pu la hello ilitum election lang itum te ning dog de sita la election ke thur du nang kok ti ti lai lo alam mang ke
APHLC long live,
Long live, long live,
APHLC long live,
long live,
schedule long live,
long live, long live,
take schedule long live,
long live, long live,
take schedule long live,
long live, long live,
tribal unity long live,
long live, long live,
tribal unity long live,
long live, long live,
Jai Gathar long live,
long live, long live,
Jai Gathar long live,
long live, long live,
Jai Gathar long live,
long live, long live,
Rangasar long live,
long live, long live,
Habe Pinpo long live,
long live, long live,
Kavere Cho long live,
long live, long live,
take schedule long live,
long live, long live,
CAA go back,
go back, go back,
CAA go back,
go back, go back,
CAA go back,
go back, go back,
Panchayati Raj go back,
go back, go back,
Panchayati Raj